Tired of spending hours manually hunting for LinkedIn leads? What if you could automate the entire process and have a goldmine of prospect data ready in minutes? A powerhouse N8N workflow that transforms how you generate leads. This automation pulls targeted LinkedIn profiles, enriches them with key details, and organizes everything neatly into Google Sheets, all while you sip your coffee. Let's break down how this game-changing workflow works, step by step, and why it's your new best friend for sales, recruitment, or networking. This N8N workflow leverages PhantomBuster and Google Sheets to automate LinkedIn lead generation. It runs automatically every weekday evening. Scrapes second and 3rd degree LinkedIn connections based on your search criteria. Collects critical data like names, companies, locations, and profile URLs. Stores results in 2 Google Sheets for easy access and tracking. Ensures accuracy with built-in checks and status updates. Step 1. Schedule trigger. The workflow kicks off automatically every Monday through Friday at 7:30 p.m. Consistent scheduling keeps your lead pipeline fresh without manual intervention. Step 2. Fetch input data from Google Sheets. The workflow reads data from a Google Sheet named LinkedIn Profile Scraper in the spreadsheet. PM lead. Step 3. Validate input data. The if node checks 3 conditions. This ensures the workflow only proceeds with valid inputs, preventing errors or wasted API calls. Step 4. Launch PhantomBuster scraping. The workflow sends a post request to PhantomBuster's API to launch the LinkedIn scraping agent. This is where the magic starts. PhantomBuster scrapes LinkedIn profiles based on your search URL. Step 5. Wait for scraping to complete. Node. Wait. The workflow pauses for a few minutes to allow PhantomBuster to complete the scraping. This ensures the data is ready before attempting to retrieve it. Step 6. Retrieve scraped data. The workflow fetches the scraped data from PhantomBuster using the get output operations. Why it matters? This pulls the enriched profile data, including fields like first name, last name, company, location, and profile URL. Step 7. Validate scraped data. The if one node checks if the scraped data includes first name, last name, and company. This filters out incomplete profiles, ensuring only high-quality data is saved. Step 8. Process data in batches. What happens? The loop over items. Node processes the scraped data in batches. Step 9. Update status in input sheet. The workflow updates the LinkedIn Profile Scraper sheet, setting the status to done for the processed row. This tracks which searches have been completed, keeping your workflow organized. Step 10. Save data to prospect sheets. The workflow appends the scraped data to 2 Google Sheets. Step 11. Brief pause for stability. A 10-second pause occurs before appending data to the sheets. Why it matters? This ensures stable data transfer to Google Sheets, avoiding API rate limits. The wait one node adds a short delay between batch processing and data saving. Ready to skyrocket your lead generation? Deploy this N8N workflow and turn LinkedIn into your personal prospecting powerhouse. Perfect for recruiters, marketers, or sales pros, this automation delivers clean, actionable data with zero hassle. Get started today and watch your pipeline grow like never before.